Okay. Hi, Patty. So here's where I am, and in comparison to after watching your video, I was like, okay, I got this. I can do this. So here is an example of an assignment that I'm going to create. That says map of Europe. I already typed that in, and I just did like a basic description of what I want the kids to do. Okay. And so it's stuck. Sorry. I changed the dates to have like correct due dates, and then, as you said, you go here to click to edit, to attach resources. These are some of my favorites that I did like a while ago, but this is all Westward expansion stuff. So I'm going to go to Student Edition, and then I'm going to go here to World War One. Okay, and I'm going to go to Lesson 1, War in Europe. It gives me no resources to add. Yours came up with a bunch of them, and I don't have any here. I think that's part of our problem. Is there something I'm missing, or a setting, or something that I'm supposed to be doing to allow me to see the student edition? Do I have to be in the student edition in addition to the teacher edition, or what? Anything you can do to help clarify would be awesome. Thanks.